Chapter 12. Measurement. Every day we come across different types of measurements of length, weight, capacity, time and temperature. Measurement is the quantitative details of any object, thing or person in specific units. For example, if someone says the boy is tall, it does not make clear about the height of the boy. It will be more clear to say that the boy is 4 feet tall. In olden days people used to measure things with hand span, cubit, yard, foot span etc. All these units are called non-standard units of measurement. The measurement of these units is different in different communities and countries. These units do not give accurate and valid measurements. These units caused confusion because these measurements vary from one person to another person. 1. Measure the length of your study table at home with your hand span. Now ask any of your elder family member to measure the table with his hand span and see the difference. Number of your hand spans? Number of your elder family members' hand spans? Due to such problems in the non-standard units of measurement, standard international units of measurement of length, weight, capacity etc. are used. Measurement of length. The standard unit of measurement of length is meter. It is denoted by m. Smaller unit of length is centimeter. It is denoted by cm. The length of your pencil and pencil box is measured in centimeter. The length of cloth is measured in meter. The larger unit of length is kilometer. It is denoted by km. We measure distance between two cities or places in kilometers. For example, distance between New Delhi and Jaipur is 268 km. Standard units of length. 1 meter equals 100 centimeters. 1 kilometer equals 1000 meters. Fill in the blanks. 1. Length of your pencil is centimeter. 2. Length of your school bag is centimeter. 3. Width of your science notebook is centimeter. 4. Length of your pencil box is centimeter. 5. Width of your desk is centimeter. Ruler, meter rod and measuring tape are used for measuring length. Measurement of weight. Foods like rice, wheat, pulses, sugar and nuts are weighed by using a balance at the grocery shops. Vegetable seller sells fruits and vegetables weighing them by beam balance. Foods and vegetables are put on one pan and weights marked with gram and kilogram are put on another pan to make it balance for accurate measurement. You must have seen iron weights at the shops. These are standard weights. The standard units of weight are gram and kilogram. Gram is denoted by g and kilogram is denoted by kg. Beam balance. 500 gram, 1 kilogram, 2 kilograms, 5 kilograms, 10 kilograms. 1 kilogram equals 1000 gram. Heavy weights are measured in kilograms and light weights in grams. Electronic weighing machine. Gold, jewelry, precious stones etc. are weighed in milligrams on electronic weighing machines. Milligram is denoted by mg. See the following things at home and check their weights printed on them. Can you fill in the following blanks? 1. A cake of. 2. A pack of talc powder. 3. A packet of butter. 4. A packet of bread. Measurement of capacity. Capacity is the quantity of a liquid a container can hold. A small glass holds lesser quantity and a tank holds large quantity of a liquid. A small glass of water. A large tank of water. We can say that a small glass has less capacity and a tank has larger capacity. The standard units to measure capacity are liter and milliliter. Liter is denoted by L and milliliter is denoted by ml. 1 liter equals 1000 milliliter. The smaller quantity of liquid is measured in milliliters and larger quantity is measured in liters. Measuring cylinder. Measuring can. The measuring cylinders and measuring cans are used to measure the quantity of a liquid. Look the following things at home and check the capacity printed on them. Now try to fill in the following blanks. 1. A hair oil bottle, milliliter. 2. A shampoo bottle, milliliter. 3. A can of ghee, liter. 4. A packet of refined oil, liter. Measurement of temperature. You must have seen a doctor placing a glass-like thin instrument under the tongue or armpit of a sick person, and after a minute he is saying the person has fever. What do you think the doctor was doing? What is that instrument called? Laboratory thermometer. Clinical thermometer. Actually, the doctor has measured body temperature of the sick person with the instrument called thermometer. Temperature is the degree of hotness or coldness of an object. Human body temperature is measured in Fahrenheit scale. Normal human body temperature is 98.6 degrees Fahrenheit, where F means Fahrenheit. The temperature of an object is measured in centigrade scale. This scale is used in laboratories and industries to measure very high temperature of objects. Measurement of time. Time is measured in hours, minutes and seconds. We use a clock or a watch to check the time. 60 seconds equals 1 minute. 60 minutes equals 1 hour. 1 hour equals 60 multiplied by 60 equals 3600 seconds. Quick recap. In olden days, people used to measure length with hand span, cubit, foot span etc. These units give inaccurate results. These are non-standard unit of measurement. Standard International (SI) units of measuring thing are meter and centimeter for length, kilogram and gram for weight, liter and milliliter for capacity. Temperature is measured in centigrade and Fahrenheit scale. Time is measured in hours, minutes and seconds.